I am Michael Jacob, the Chief Information Officer at Northland Pioneer College. Welcome to our series of how-to guides on using Microsoft 365. Let's go over everything you need to begin making clean, professional presentations in PowerPoint. You can find PowerPoint on the left-hand side of office.com through the app launcher of an already opened Microsoft application. Alternatively, you can create a PowerPoint presentation directly in OneDrive. Once you open PowerPoint, you can start with a blank presentation or select a template. You can always change the theme of your presentation later. To add slides, simply right-click in the thumbnail to your left and select New Slide. You can change the layout by right-clicking on the new slide, moving your mouse over Slide Layout, and selecting the layout that you'd like to use. To rearrange the order of your slides, simply click on the slide or slides that you would like to rearrange and move them where you'd like them to be. Navigate to the Insert tab on your ribbon to add pictures or professionally designed icons. We're going to go ahead and select a stock image for our purposes here. And we're going to insert. PowerPoint Designer will suggest thematic layouts automatically that you can choose, or you can adjust layout and slide on your own. To add an animation to an object, simply select the object, navigate to Animations, choose the animation that you would like to use, and then select how you want it to start. You can have the animation start on the click of a mouse or connected to other animations. Here you can also change the duration, add a delay, and even preview the animation. To add a transition to a slide, you can select the Transitions tab on the ribbon. This will be for whatever slide you're currently working on, or whatever. If you have multiple slides selected, it'll apply to all of those slides. Choose the transition you want to use. Here you can also adjust the duration of the transition and preview it as well. You may want to use some notes when giving your presentation to make sure you cover key topics. PowerPoint makes it easy for you to add notes and view them while presenting. To add notes, simply begin typing in the Click to Add Notes section at the bottom of a slide. These notes will be visible to you later when presenting this slide, but your audience will be unable to see them. When you're ready to give your presentation, you can select the Slideshow tab on your ribbon and select Presenter View to be able to see any notes you've added, as well as a preview of the next slides. Here I'm using one screen, but if you have multiple screens that you're using during your presentation, both the presenter or main presentation screen and the presenter screen will be on those separate screens. In the presenter view, you're able to see the current slide that's being presented to your audience, as well as the future slides that are coming up, and then any notes that you have added will be there as well. If you want to share your presentation with others to collaborate or to have them view it, you can click on the share button. You can share it directly if you know the individual's email address. You can give them the permissions you'd like them to have. You can also copy a link and send it to them however you'd like. And that's it. The fastest path to creating and delivering great presentations in PowerPoint. If you need assistance, please contact the IT Support Center.